In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your reseller package up and running so that you can start reselling hosting to your clients. So to get started, I'm going to go to hosting.makuruwan.com. And if I click right here on get started, I'm going to be redirected to hosting packages. So the one that I need today is reseller hosting. If you've been following along with my course, you will know that we have already discussed that the only plan that comes with a free WHMCS license is the Grow, Reseller and the Scale plan. These are the only ones that will come with a free WHMCS license. So I'm going to go for the Grow plan because obviously I want a free WHMCS license. And then I'm going to register a domain. This one I'm using creators.com. Let me just go with my name. Creators.com, check. And you can see creators.com is available. It's going for $12.53. Continue. Awesome. So you'll see that if I pay for the monthly plan, I'm not getting any discount. But if I go for the 3-year plan, I'm getting a 25% discount. Instead of paying $69.9 per month, I'm actually paying $52.43. Now, I also want to go for the 3-year plan. Why? Because as you can see, it comes with a free domain. These other plans, they don't come with a free domain. So I'm going to choose this 3-year plan. And you can see my order is going to update to 1.8. Click on continue. Now you don't need to have anything else here. You get this by default. This is for premium DNS management, ID protection, email forwarding. I will show you how to get these for free, so you don't need to actually get these. But if you want to get premium DNS management, well, you can get that, but I don't think it's really necessary for what we are going to be doing today. So I'm just going to click on continue. Now you can see the reseller hosting is going for 1.8 and the domain registration is going for $0, but it will renew at $12.92. You can see right here it says renewal $12.92 per year. And then I'm going to enter my billing details. All right, so obviously I've prepared a promo code so that I don't have to actually pay anything, but for you, you're actually going to be paying me 1.8. So I'm just going to put it here. Even if I show you, I'm going to make sure that I will delete this validate code. Awesome. So today I'm paying $0, but it will definitely renew at this price. Even the domain, it will renew at this price if I was to continue with this plan. So I'll click on PayPal, or you can use cryptocurrency. If you have a credit card, you can still use PayPal and then you enter your credit card. If you don't have a PayPal account, it takes 5 minutes to create a PayPal account, or you can just use cryptocurrency. And then again, you accept terms and conditions here, and then you click on checkout. All right, so order placed. I can then go to my client area. Awesome. And as soon as I place my order, you can see I already have one service and one domain up and running. So if I am to click where it says reseller hosting here, if I click, automatically I'm redirected to this page. You can see already I'm being told what is my domain name, my primary IP for the server that I have been given. For even the private name servers, you can see I'm allowed to register NS1 creators.com and NS2 creators.com. I'm also given the IP addresses that I need to use automatically. So you can see if I don't want to use these private name servers, maybe you don't want to white label everything, then you can click where it says use our name servers, and then you will be provided with our name servers for this server that you will be using. But I highly encourage that if you're a reseller, you use your custom or your private name servers. That way no one will really know that you are actually buying this from us. We are going to now check our email for that account that you used. So be sure to remember that that Gmail that you used during sign up, that Gmail is very important. You can see that already we are getting a bunch of emails. The first one was from Makuruwan. I don't think all these are important. This one is for order confirmation, customer invoice, The one which is really important is this one which says reseller account information. So I'm going to read that out for you. Dear Cletus Ngoma, we take resellers, experts in our business, blah, 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 your account information, your domain name, your username, your password. You need to save this. Why? Because this is what you use for your control panel and web host manager. But even if you lose this, you can just come here when you log into your client area. And if you click on log into WHM or log into cPanel, you won't even need to enter your username and password. So if I try to log into WHM just to test out if everything is working, you can see I'm redirected to WHM. Even the cPanel, I'm quite sure it's also working. Set up your, so you will be told what you now need to do. Step 1, what is step 2, what is step 3 as you go. And then in the next video, we will talk about registering your private name servers.